I agree you, but I disagree this. I prefer this one more better. I don't know.
You agree with me or agree me?
Oh, this is where English becomes personal, because now you are not just describing, you are expressing your opinion. Agree, disagree, suggest, recommend, prefer, choose. These are opinion words.
And you can hear Emma. She has opinions. She knows what she feels. But the structure is not clear.
And when your opinion is not clear, your message feels weak, because opinion is not just language, it's confidence.
Yeah, it's how you show your decision, your choice.
All right, I'm Zavara, and today we fix something very important: how to express your opinion clearly. This is day 25, and today is about agreeing, disagreeing, and choosing. Because in real life, you are always giving opinions: what you like, what you don't like, what you think is better, and your English must show that clearly.
I'm Oren, and yeah, this is powerful. Because opinion is how you connect with people.
Let's field these words as decisions. Agree. Same opinion. I agree with you. I agree with you. Disagree. Different opinion. I disagree with you. I disagree with you. Suggest. Give an idea. I suggest trying this. I suggest trying this.
Now the next ones. Recommend. Strong suggestion. I recommend this place. I recommend this place. Prefer. Like more. I prefer this option. I prefer this option. Choose. Make a decision. I choose this one. I choose this one.
Notice something. These words show your position.
Yeah, your thinking, your choice.
Now, this is the key. Opinions need correct structure. You don't say, I agree you. You say, I agree with you. Same with disagree and with prefer.
You don't say, I prefer this more better. You say, I prefer this, or this is better. So your sentence must be clean. One idea, one structure. Yeah, clear opinion, clear message.
All right, now let's step into that moment again. And this time, listen to how Emma expresses her opinion. Because this is not just about words. This is about taking a position.
Yeah, imagine this. You are choosing something. Maybe a place, maybe a plan, maybe an idea. You need to agree, disagree, suggest something better. And if your structure is not clear, your opinion feels weak. Just listen.
I agree you. This place is good. But I disagree. This also.
You agree or disagree?
Yes, I agree you. But I not agree this idea.
Okay. What do you suggest?
I suggest go another place. And I recommend go there.
All right. Which one do you prefer?
I prefer this more better place. So I choose this one.
I understand, but your sentences feel a bit unclear.
All right, let's fix this together and make the opinion clear and strong. Emma said, I agree you. This place is good. We fix it clearly. I agree with you. This place is good.
Then, I disagree this also. We correct it. I also disagree with this.
Then, I suggest go another place, and I recommend go there. We fix the structure. I suggest going to another place, and I recommend going there.
Then, I prefer this more better place. We improve it. I prefer this place.
And finally, so I choose this one. Yeah, this one feels a bit incomplete in real conversation. A more natural way would be, so I'll choose this one. Same meaning, but now it sounds more natural and complete. And this is the key: clear structure, clear opinion.
I agree with you. This place is good.
Okay.
I also disagree with this.
All right.
I suggest going to another place, and I recommend going there.
That's clear.
I prefer this place, so I choose this one.
Now I understand your opinion.
Now you can feel the clarity. Strong, confident.
Yeah, clear position. No confusion. All right, your turn. Express your opinion. I agree with you. I agree with you. I disagree with you. I disagree with you. I suggest trying this. I suggest trying this. I recommend this place. I recommend this place. I prefer this option. I prefer this option. I choose this one. I choose this one.
All right, let's bring this into real life. Imagine you are choosing something important. Before, you say, I agree, I disagree, I don't know, and it feels unclear. But now you say, I agree with you, but I prefer this option, so I choose this. And suddenly, your voice becomes strong. I remember this very clearly. I was in a discussion once, and I had an opinion, but I didn't express it clearly. I said, I agree, but also not agree, and people didn't understand my position. And later, I learned to say, I agree with you, but I prefer another option. And everything changed. People understood me. They responded. And that's when I realized your opinion is not just what you think, it's how clearly you express it.
Yeah, and that's the shift. Not just having an opinion, but communicating it clearly.
All right, let's take a second. Before today, your opinions felt unclear.
Now, they feel strong and structured.
Today, you can now express your opinion clearly and confidently. This is real communication.
Clear, confident, human.
See you in day 26.